Hello students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Let us see today's assignment based on metals and non-metals. The first question, the oxides of metals low in the activity series can be reduced to metals by, right? So metal oxide is going to be reduced as a metal by the process of heating. What is the process? Heating alone. Okay. So next question, dash is an ore of mercury. Dash is an ore of mercury. So what is ore? Ore is nothing but, right? The metal is going to be extracted profitably from minerals and which is having very high percentage at particular metal, and these minerals we are calling it as ore, right? So the ore of mercury is cinnabar. What is the ore of mercury? Cinnabar. So what is the formula of cinnabar? Mercuric sulfide, HgS, right? So next question, when cinnabar, what is the formula of cinnabar? HgS, right? When cinnabar is heated in air, it is first converted into, when cinnabar is heated in air, it is first converted into mercuric oxide. What is that? Mercuric oxide. So what is the formula of mercuric oxide? HgO. Mercuric oxide formula is HgO. Let us go for the next question. Copper, which is found as dash in nature, can be obtained from its ore by just heating in air, right? So copper, which is found as a dash in nature, copper is going to be found in the nature as a copper sulfide. What is the formula of copper sulfide? Cu2S, right? And the next question, the metals which present at the top of the activity series. Metals which present at the top of the activity series. So what is metal reactivity series? When the metals are arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity, right? So when metals arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity, that series of metals we are calling it as metal reactivity series. So in this metal reactivity series, the most reactive metals are going to be placed in the top of the metal reactivity series. Even we can say top of the activity series. So that metals, what are all those metals here? Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and aluminum. So what is the symbol of potassium? K, and sodium Na, calcium Ca, magnesium Mg and aluminum Al. So remember here children, the first letter always capital and the second letter must be small. Okay. So here we all know very well some of the elements we are taken from the alphabets, the first letter and first letter with the second letter, right? Even some Latin names and scientist names as well as countries names, right? So the next one, aluminium is obtained by the electrolytic reduction of, aluminium is obtained by the electrolytic reduction of aluminium oxide, aluminium oxide. Let us see the next question. Sodium, magnesium and calcium are obtained by the electrolysis of their molten chlorides. Sodium, magnesium and calcium are obtained by the electrolysis of the molten chlorides. In this process, chlorine is liberated at the anode. Chlorine is liberated at the anode. So, positively charged electrode. So, anode is nothing but what? Positively charged electrode. And the next one, the metals at the top of the activity series cannot be obtained from their compounds by heating with carbon, because these metals have more affinity for dash than carbon, right? So what is it here? When the metals at the top of the activity series cannot be obtained from their compounds by heating with carbon. So because these metals have more affinity for oxygen than carbon. Oxygen than carbon. And let us see the next question. The metals at the top of the activity series are obtained by electrolytic reduction of their molten chlorides. Electrolytic reduction of their molten chlorides. And the next question. Sodium, magnesium and calcium are obtained by the electrolysis of their molten chlorides, and these metals, of course the metals are deposited at the cathode. Metals are deposited at the cathode. So cathode is nothing but what? Negatively charged electrode. Cathode is nothing but negatively charged electrode. And the next question and few more questions we have here, and let us see that one by one. The metals at the of the activity series are so reactive that they are never found in nature as free elements. Even the last assignment also we have got this question. I hope you all are remembered, right? So the metals at the dash of the activity series are so reactive. So in the metals reactivity series, if you consider top of the reactivity series of the metals are so reactive, right? So they are never found in nature as a free elements, right? And the next question, metals low in the activity series are very. The metals which is present in the activity series at bottom of the part, they are going to be add as a unreactive metals, or even we can say the least reactive metals. Understood? And the next question, dash is reduced to mercury on further heating. So which is going to be reduced to mercury on further heating? Mercuric oxide, right? So what is the formula of mercuric oxide? HgO. I hope you all understood today's assignment, children, and we will meet in the next assignment. Thank you so much, everyone.